What are the a9s data services? The a9s data services are a data service and database management layer. In other words, a data management layer for contemporary cloud environments. The a9s data services come in two flavors: virtual machines and pods. The virtual machine versions of the a9s data services provide rock-solid infrastructure isolation in terms of CPU, in terms of memory isolation, but also disk I/O and network I/O isolation. This makes the a9s data services, the virtual machine version of the a9s data service, very suitable for running large-scale environments with a lot of databases that need to be shielded from noisy neighborhood issues. Then there's also a Kubernetes-based flavor of the a9s data services that use Kubernetes, StatefulSets, and other Kubernetes resources for creating database instances, allowing to run data natively on Kubernetes. So either you have a preference for Kubernetes, or you are in an environment where there is only Kubernetes and you don't have direct access to the underlying infrastructure. That's when the Kubernetes-based data services are to be favored. The a9s data service comprise a set of databases and using the broader term data services, including relational databases such as Postgres and MariaDB, a document database, MongoDB, a key value store, Redis, a message broker, RabbitMQ, a messaging service backed by RabbitMQ to be precisely, as well as a search and analytics server backed by OpenSearch. A special data service for dealing with logs, as well called LogMe, called a9s LogMe, which is a special service for dealing with logs, as well as a9s Prometheus, a service for metrics and alerting. There are other data services, and there are more data services to come. So the a9s data management layer is constantly growing. In both cases, all what you need to use the a9s data services is a single license. So any license will cover so-called credits, and credits basically allow to create data services across platform environments. So with a single data service license, you can download all the a9s data service products into all of your platform environments and create data service instances. The license will, be, let's say, about 50 credits, allowing you to create 50 clustered service instances. Could be 50 Postgres clusters, 50 MongoDB clusters, 50 Redis clusters, or any combination thereof, as long as the simultaneously number of existing data service instances is within the credit range. Depending on the structure of a data service instance, the instance occupies one or more or less credits, but the rough estimate is one clustered instance is 1 credit.